Myself Raj, welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of Java Complete Placement Codes, in this video we are going to see some interview programs asked related to if-else statement. In the previous videos already we have discussed about what is if-else statement and we have seen some examples related to if-else statement. Today let us go with some interview programs related to if-else statement. Let us go with the first example, like write a program to check whether the given number is even or odd. When can we say a number is even? When you divide a number by 2. When you divide a number by 2, the remainder should be what? 0. Which operator is used to give the remainder? Modulus operator, that is percentile symbol. So by using this modulus operator, we can able to know the remainder. For example, if you take the number as 4, when you divide this number by 4, when you divide this number 4 with 2, the remainder is 0. Then we say 4 is what? Even. If you divide the number by 2, if the remainder is not equal to 0, then we'll say what? Odd. So when you divide a number by 2, if the remainder is 0, we say it as even. If you divide the number by 2, if the remainder is not equal to 0, we say it as what? Odd. Now let us write this code. Let me open Eclipse, and already we have created this project. To create a new Java program, we have to right click on project and say new class. Go with the name of the class. Let me go with even odd. With main method inside, click finish. What is the purpose of this program? To check whether the given number is even or odd. Now, how to accept a number from user? Using scanner class. Create object of scanner class. Scanner is equal to new scanner. Connect to keyboard system.in. And whenever we use scanner class, we need to import java.util package. Because scanner is a class present in java.util package, import scanner. Just keep mouse pointer on error and you can see the option import scanner from java.util. Just click over here. Now, go with the message to the user. Enter a number. We'll say int number equal to s dot next. After accepting the number, now we have to check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. How to check? If number mod 2, if the remainder is 0, if the remainder is 0, we'll go with the message number is even. We'll go with what message? Number is even. Else, if it is not divisible by 2, then we'll go with the message number is odd. Now, save this file, run the code. Save this file, run the code. Now it will ask for a number. If you take the number as 4, it is going to give the message 4 is even. If you run the code again, if I take the number as 5, it is going to say 5 is odd. Right? Now, let us go with one more concept here. Nested if. Nested if. What is nested if is, if within if within if is called as nested if. Right? When you want to check more number of conditions, we are going to make use of nested if. Right? Now, the syntax of going with nested if is, the syntax is we use if condition. To elaborate easily, let me go with the number condition 1. If condition 1 is true, we execute some set of statements. If condition 1 is false, we'll come to else and we check one more condition. Condition 2. If condition 2 is true, we execute some set of statements. Like that, we can check multiple conditions. And you can say else. Again, you can check if condition n. If condition n is true, we execute some set of statements. If condition n is also false, we can come to last else and we can execute some set of statements. So what is the use of nested if? When you want to check more number of conditions, we can make use of nested if. I am elaborating once again. If condition 1 is true, we execute this set of statements. Else, if the condition 1 is false, we'll come to else and we check one more condition 2. If condition 2 is true, we execute this set of statements. Else, we go with some other statements. Like that, we check condition n. If condition n is true, we execute these statements. If all conditions are false, it will execute the statements present in last else part. Now, let us understand this with an example code. Write a program to check whether the given number is positive, negative, or 0. When can we say a number is positive? If the given number is greater than 0, we'll say positive. If the given number is less than 0, then we'll say negative. If the number is equal to 0, means if the number is not positive or not negative, directly we can say the given number is 0. Now, let us write this code. Right click on project and say new class. Go with the class name as check number with main method inside. What is the purpose of this program? To check whether the given number is positive, negative, or 0. Now, create object of scanner class to accept the number from user. And the keyboard shortcut to import the package is Ctrl+Shift+O. We can use to import the package. Shortcut to import package, Ctrl+Shift+O. There. Now accept a number, go with a message, enter a number. We'll say int number equal to s dot next int. Now check whether this number is greater than 0. If the number is greater than 0, we'll say number is positive. Else, can we say directly negative? No, it may be 0 also. That's the reason again we have to check if number less than 0. If the number is less than 0, we'll go with the message number is negative. Then else, if it is not positive and not negative, directly without comparing, we can go with the message number is 0. Now, let us run this code. Click on this run button. It will ask for a number. If you say 5, we'll go with the message 5 is positive. If you run the code again, if you say -8, it will say -8 is negative. If you run the code, if you go with the number as 0, it will say 0 is 0. So here, since we are having more number of conditions to check, we are going to make use of nested if. Right? Please practice all these programs if you are totally new to this if condition. In the next video, we will be seeing some more examples related to if statement. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.